Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good week. As a reminder, you've got assignments that will be due this Sunday, March 1st. One thing I need to discuss with you, to go over with you, is about the forum and discussion board guidelines. These guidelines are posted at the top of the class page. This was something that you were supposed to review at the beginning of the class. One thing as far as your forums and discussion boards, you cannot wait until the last day to post your response. You must post your response a few days before the deadline so others are given a chance to respond to you. This is real important that you follow this. Also, if you post your response after the deadline, you will not get credit for this assignment. Please make sure you follow these guidelines. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.